Bharatiya Janata Party hak step sngi Palei kala Pynbna paidbah thup Kyrteng Jong ki Ngut Kyrtong kiban aireng hak Elekshon MLA kaban shen Meghalaya. Thup Kyrteng la Pynbna hido President ke Meghalaya BJP uba Earnest Mawrie ha ophis treikam ke BJP ha nongbah Delhi ha ryngkat ke jingdonlang ki he BJP.
And good morning to everybody. I like to give a special thank to the Central Election Committee, right from our Honorable and beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, our National President Shri JP Nadaji, and all the esteemed members of the Central Election Committee. Yesterday we had a meeting from the state, present by me as the state president, and Shri M. Chubau, the national vice president, and the in charge of Meghalaya were present in the meeting, and Shri Rituraj Sinha, national secretary and joint coordinator of Northeast in charge of Meghalaya were present, and Shri Elhek MLA and national executive members who were present, and they have cleared the list. And here I'm going to read the name of the candidate for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, right from serial number 1, Legislative Assembly constituency number and name, and the name of the candidate. Last election 2018, we have contested 47 seats, and we win 2 seats, and we have stood second, almost 7 seats, and we have stood third also, almost 12 seats. So this time we hope we will win more seats. Serial number 1, that is Fast Nartiang ST seat, Shri Rimiki Sari. Serial number 2, that is Joy ST seat, Shri Alan Kate Suchiang. Serial number 3, that is Raliang ST seat, Shri Iakhun Biam. Serial number 4, ST seat, Shri Karantis Raban. Serial number 5, Sutanga Saipung ST, Shri Krisan Langstang. Serial number 6, ST seat, Shri Bhayas Charmang. Serial number 7, Amlarem ST, Shri Fastborn Manar. Serial number 8, Mawrie ST, Dr. Everest Mersing. Serial number 9, Nongpo ST, Srimati Marian Maring. Serial number 10, Jirang ST seat, Srimati Ria Sangma. Serial number 11, Umsning ST, Shri Durut Majau. Serial number 12, Umroy ST, Shri Shanbor Ramde. Serial number 13, that is Mawrie ST, Shri Highlander Karmalki. Serial number 14, that is Panthar Umkra General Seat, Shri Alexander Laluhek. Serial number 15, Maulai ST, Shri Wandonbok Jerwa. Serial number 16 is Shillong ST, Shri Wankitbok Poshna. 17 North Shillong ST, Shri Mariahom Kharkrang. Serial number 18 West Shillong General Seat, Shri Earnest Mawrie. 19 South Shillong, serial number 19, Shri Sanbor Shurai. Serial number 20, that is Milliam ST, Shri Samuel Hasha. Serial number 21, that is ST seat, Shri David Khasiti. Serial number 22, that is Nongkrem ST seat, Shri David T. Karkongor. Serial number 23, Soyong ST, Shri Serap Eric Karbuki. Serial number 24, Mauflang ST, Shri Wasseroy Rani. Serial number 25, Mausunram S3, Shri Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang. Serial number 26, Sheila ST, Shrimati Arena Nyota. Serial number 27, Penosla ST, Shri Roli Khongsni. Serial number 28, Sora ST, Shri Michael Ronnie Kshiar. Serial number 29, that's Maukunro ST, Shri Councillor Mukim. Serial number 30, Mairang ST, Shri Mark Rinaldi Saukme. Shri Ernest Chindiang. Serial number 33, Rambrai Jerngam, Shri Spasterlin Nongrem. Serial number 34, Maushinrut ST, Shri Bijoy Kinter. Serial number 35, Radikor ST, Shri Martin M. Dango. Serial number 36, Maukarwat ST, Shrimati BT Jarwa. Serial number 37, Kharkuta ST, Shri Elston D. Marak. Serial number 38, Manipathar, Shri Sangnap CH Momin. Serial number 39, Risabal Para ST Sit, Shri Sukharam K. Sangma. Serial number 40, Bajangdova ST Sit, Shri Harendro A. Sangma. Serial number 41, Songsak ST, Shri Thomas N. Marak. Serial number 42, Rongjang ST, Shri Rafius CH Sangma. Serial number 43, William Naga ST Sit, Shri Raknang CH Momin. Serial number 44, Raksam Gray ST, Shri Benedict R. Marak. Serial number 45, Tikrikila ST, Shri Rahinat Barshung. Serial number 46, Fulbury, Shri Edmund K. Sangma. Serial number 47, Rajabala, Shri Bakul CH Hajong. Serial number 48, Salsela, Srimati Ferlin C.A. Sangma. Serial number 49, Dadengri ST Sit, Shri Brening R. Marak. Serial number 50, North Turasit, Shri Adamkit M. Sangma. Serial number 51, that is South Tura, Shri Bernard N. Marak. Serial number 52, Rangsakona, ST Sit, Shri Dipul R. Marak. Serial number 53, Ampati, Shri Pramanda Coach. Serial number 54, Mahendragan, Shri Tinku N. Marak. Serial number 55, Salman Para, Shri Boston Marak. Serial number 56, Kambigre, Shri Daniel M. Sangma. Serial number 57, Dalu ST, Shri Aki A. Sangma. Serial number 58, Rongra Siju ST Sit, Shri Kalis G. Momin. Serial number 59, Shokpot ST Sit, Shri November CH Marak. And serial number 60, Bakmara ST, Shri Samuel M. Sangma. This is the list of the candidate. We have contested all the 60 seats to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Thank you.